Hi, today we're going to be discussing how to give a pill to your cat at home. When the doctor prescribes a pill form of medication, it can be a little challenging for some pet owners to administer that at home to their pet. Pills are the base form of the medication combined with a filler that's compressed into a pill form. Sometimes the pill is covered in a coating, which can make it a little bit easier to administer, but sometimes it's not covered with a coating, and that can make the pill taste bitter to the cat. Also, often pills need to be cut or broken down into halves or quarters to get the right dosage for a cat. And when you're exposing the inner part of the pill, that also can taste very bitter and make the pet a little bit more unwilling to take the medication. In order to make it a little bit easier to administer, we often recommend covering the pill with a portion of a pill pocket or a little bit of pill wrap to disguise the taste of the medication. If you're unsure whether or not your cat can have that product, please ask a staff member if there's any reason based on their current diet that they shouldn't be able to have that, but it definitely can make medicating the pet a lot easier, and we often utilize this tactic here in the clinic when we're administering medications to a kitty. Here in the clinic, whenever advisable, we always cover the pill to prevent the kitty from tasting the pill while it's going down. It also provides a smoother surface, which typically will go down a little bit easier. Here I've got a little bit of pill wrap, and we're going to show you how to give it to Spotty here. I'm right-handed, so I like to use my right hand to administer the medication. I'm going to lift his head back, draw down on his lower jaw, and drop it in the back of his throat and follow with a finger. I'm then going to release his head, and I'm going to gently massage his little neck here. That's going to encourage him to swallow. You can also sometimes blow gently on their nose, and that will encourage a swallowing motion as well. If you're unable to get into your cat's mouth with your fingers, you can utilize this pill popper to go ahead and give the medication. That prevents the need for putting your fingers directly in their mouth. Some cats will bite their owners at home if they try to administer a pill to them. So once you've loaded the pill into the pill popper, you're going to go ahead and pull back on the kitty's head, wiggle this right between their teeth, and then push the button on the end, and that's going to eject the pill right down, and that will effectively allow you to give the medication without putting your fingers into their mouth.